everyone, this is Lynette with Lynette Loves Luxury. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel will consist of hauls. It's all about fashion. I'll be doing unboxing, hauls, some travel, some decor, so a little bit of everything. So at the end of this video, if you enjoy what I'm saying, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, definitely subscribe. And we're gonna get right into it. Now, disclaimer, you guys, this is my first video, so I may make a few little goofs here and there, but just bear with me. But hopefully you'll love it. So my first video is gonna be unboxing. I love designer. I love all kind of fashion, but Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Fendi, and Prada are all my favorites. So anytime I get something new, I want to share it with you guys. You guys can give me your ideas. You guys can tell me if you've actually purchased it and what you like, don't like about it. But let's just jump into it. So first, my first item is going to be a Gucci item. Now, honestly, guys, I already opened this. Only because I like to make sure that when it's delivered, what they have and what they send me is actually the right item. So I have opened this, guys, okay? So first of all, they put it in a really cool Gucci box. They always put the instructions on how to care for it. Wrap it up really nice. You guys can see this. Of course, you know, the bag that they put it in, and like so. But here they are, guys. Perfect for summer. Just came out about, I think, 2 weeks ago. Just casual slides. You can wear them dressy. You can wear them even with jeans. And actually, in some of my videos, stay tuned, guys, because I will pair this with some really cute outfits on how you can wear them dressy, how you can wear them casual, but just really cute. I loved Gucci's detailing. This is a little band where it can be expandable. And like you see, you know, it has the white bow. So you can wear this with just white. You can wear it with brown. You can wear it with basically anything. So here they are, guys. And like I said, just keep watching my channels. I will actually show you some really cute outfits that you can pair this with. So this is my first Gucci, of course. So got that. And then next, something that I have been waiting for a really long time. This is one of my favorite designers. You know, Louis always makes sure that whatever they have is perfect. So let me get it out of here. Bear with me, you guys. Like I said, this is my first video, so I may not be perfect. Really nice boxing, if you guys can see. Louis always takes a lot of, you know, care with their boxing. Boxing is sturdy. This, of course, again, is receipt, care instructions, all that in this little envelope. But let me show you. I actually purchased this, you guys, Valentine's Day, and I didn't want to actually reveal it or open it until I started my channel. So first of all, they put me the new Louis Vuitton book. Not sure what it is. I don't think it's a catalog, but I think it's like history of Louis Vuitton. Lots of good reading. So I will take time to read this because, like I said, it's one of my favorite designers. So I will take time to read it, but just really cool. Even the detailing of this book is really sturdy. Like I said, lots of good reads. So follow up with me. I'll tell you a little bit about what I find out about the history of Louis. So they threw that in there, which I thought was really, really nice. Then, of course, here it is, guys. Here it is. They always put the bag, of course, the dust bag, just to keep it really good. And voila, this is it, guys. It's the on the go. Really nice detailing in this bag. As you can see, you can wear it very versatile. It has the dark side, has this side, this. Detailing inside, lots of room, has a little thing, but as you can see, it's really big, will carry a lot. You can carry it with longer straps like this, which I think is really great because you can carry it over your shoulder if you want to do it like that. Or if you just want to carry it with the handles, you can carry it like this. But I will add, one of the things that I like about it, and I really did like pay attention to everything when I was in the store, was just the detailing. The detailing is really good. Stitching is great. It doesn't really bend. Like I said, lots of space inside. It has a little zipper compartment right here where you can put, you know, whatever you want to put, your hand sanitizer or whatever. Just really lots of really great detailing. I highly recommend this bag. It's not too small, it's not too big, it's perfect, very sturdy. If you look, very, very sturdy. So I'm really excited about this bag. And again, keep watching my channels. I will give you guys some outfit ideas of what to do with this. I think it's more on the dressy side. But I'm sure you could dress it down as well. So just keep watching my channel. I'm gonna put some outfits with it and let you guys kind of get some ideas. But if you're thinking about this bag, I would highly recommend it because like I said, it's gonna stick around for a while. Very sturdy, so I would highly recommend it. So that is about it, guys. Keep watching my channel. Like I said, my channel will be all about fashion. I'll be doing some travel. I'll be doing hauls. I'll be doing more unboxing. Any ideas that you guys can think of when you see some of my videos, outfit ideas, something that you'd like to see, any suggestions, definitely don't hesitate to comment below. I'm open to all ideas. I will be connecting my Instagram channel as well, so that you can get some ideas and follow me and all that good stuff. Even got a TikTok, y'all. Yay! So keep in touch with me, you guys. Be sure if you like what I did so far, it's only gonna get better. This is my first time, so let me know. Give me some suggestions. What do you guys think that I can do that's different? Even critique me on this video. Tell me what I might could do that would make it a little bit more exciting or a little bit more different. I'm open to all ideas. Okay, so that is it. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment below. And again, keep up with me. I'm gonna even be doing some outfits of the day, y'all. Gonna have 7 days worth of outfit ideas, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching my first video. I look forward to more videos, content, all that good stuff with you guys. So until next time,